Welcome back, Flare community. Today we have some breaking news coming from Flare about a new recent partnership with Metropolis World. Now, just a little bit of background here. Metropolis World is a metaverse experience unlike any other. Founded by award-winning filmmaker Rania Ajami and renowned music producer Rashid Ajami, MetaWorld bridges the gap between physical and digital realities to create an immersive world worthy of being called a metaverse. So, Flare unveiled as a key interoperability partner of Metropolis World, a soon-to-launch curated metaverse platform. Flare will give Metropolis World users the power to seamlessly move between different metaverse ecosystems and blockchains. And that's where things get really exciting. Metropolis features a unique design aesthetic, where its cities are created digitally by hand and every property is a unique standalone piece of art. They have an extensive list of founding citizens, and we're going to briefly look at them in a second. Metropolis's first metaverse city, called Celeste, is launching later this year. Within 18 months, they expect to launch 6 cities, with each property sold as individual NFTs. Flare will power the bridges into other metaverses. And this bit here is what really excites me because, you know, metaverses, they are almost siloed digital worlds, right? And Flare's secret sauce is this idea of interoperability and being able to connect everything. So let's go ahead and jump into the Medium article itself. Curated metaverse platform Metropolis World engages Flare as a key interoperability partner, powering seamless movements between different metaverses and blockchains. So this was released earlier today. Metropolis World, a soon-to-launch curated metaverse platform, announces a partnership with Flare, a new blockchain which enables secure, decentralized interoperability between chains and metaverses. Flare's blockchain technology will allow for the seamless movement by users between different metaverse ecosystems and blockchains, such as Decentraland and Sandbox, which is a key aspect of Metropolis's vision for the metaverse. The Flare partnership means that Metropolis World becomes a one-stop destination as it now has a bridge into other metaverses. Metropolis users will be able to move into other worlds easily without borders. And this is what I was referring to before, you know. Say in the gaming world, you may have the PlayStation fans and the Xbox fans and the PC gamers, for example. And these are all separate and sort of fragmented. It's sort of fragmenting the gaming community. And I imagine this is going to be similar in the metaverse world, where you may ask someone, which metaverse do you like to go into? They may say Metaverse A, the other person may say Metaverse B, and there is no way to really join them together and, provide a platform which is inclusive of everyone. Now, this is what Flare and, Metropolis World is going to be able to do. It's going to be a hub where you can access other metaverses, and for it to actually be a metaverse itself. So Metropolis World differentiates itself from other metaverse platforms due to its design aesthetic. Its cities are created digitally by hand and every property is a unique standalone piece of art. Unlike the majority of NFT collections, Metropolis is not using generative art to create actual cities. I think this is really good. It really gives it a personal touch, and we're going to have a quick look at some of the actual artwork itself in just a moment. The real-world ecosystem is already developed as it has formed partnerships with a wide range of high-profile ambassadors from the worlds of music, art, gaming, NFT, crypto, and businesses, what it is calling founding citizens. And you can check them all here. Metropolis's first metaverse city is called Celeste. It's launching in the fall, and over the next 12 months, it will drop its avatars and the e-commerce platform. Within 18 months, it expects to launch 6 cities, with each property sold as individual NFTs. And as I said before, we're going to have a look at some of these individual NFTs in a second. So let's get some words from the founders themselves. Obviously, Hugo Filion, the CEO, said, "Interoperability is a critical challenge, not just for blockchains, but also for metaverses. We share Metropolis's vision of a seamlessly interconnected metaverse universe, and as their key interoperability partner, we will be implementing decentralized and insured LayerCake bridges to ensure safe transit for all user assets." So LayerCake is one of the core protocols on the Flare network, and if you're yet to fully understand what it actually is, be sure to check out the video linked above. So we have Rashid Ajami, who is one of the 2 co-founders, saying this about the partnership. "The backing of Flare enables us to offer users the seamless movement between different metaverse ecosystems. This really sets us apart and reflects our big picture vision of how the metaverse is going to evolve." And finally, Rania Ajami says this, who is the other co-founder of Metropolis World. "Metropolis will offer a metaverse experience unlike anything else out there. We see a huge scope for the platform globally as the melding of digi-physical immersive experience for our users blends into one life. But not just in our capital cities of the metaverse, but on other platforms too, thanks to our partnership with Flare." Now, we can look here, and I imagine these are maybe just 3 of the different cities. This picture is not that high resolution, but we can actually look at some of these individual assets over on the Metropolis World's Twitter account. And if you are yet to follow them, you can keep up to date. Their tag is here at Metropolis World. So this one is obviously under construction, but you can see each of these different buildings, they're going to be represented as one of one NFTs, I believe, all digitally hand-drawn. You know, you can see there's a bike shop here, fire station up here, pizzeria at the top, and in fact, if we scroll down here, we do actually get to see some of them in a little bit more detail. So let me just try and find a good example. These are all, I guess, individual houses. But yeah, let's have a look at something like this. So yeah, this is the natural spring water. Maybe go for a little swim in there. And yeah, they don't have any 3D renders at the minute that I'm yet to see. All 2D images, but I guess that's coming soon. Hopefully we get some more previews about that. Here we go, look, snake bar. But they do look aesthetically very pleasing, or they do to me at least. Fish and chip shop here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, it's very exciting, and for me, what really makes this stand out from the rest is this ability to have one metaverse which is going to link multiple metaverses, and it's not just going to be metaverses on Flare, but also on different chains as well, EVM compatible networks with really huge user bases. So it's going to be able to connect everything. This is Flare's slogan for a reason. So that's the video for today. Exciting news indeed. I really do hope you enjoyed it. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.